Hello my lovelies, welcome back to AhhhSoNeo. I am back and I have an unboxing. Yay! It's a bag I've been wanting for quite some time now and I finally got my hands on it because it was a Christmas gift. Thank you. And so yeah, I finally picked up a new Coach purse. You guys know I've been on a Coach kick lately because I just love it. And so I was pretty happy to be gifted this bag. So let's just jump right in and get to it. Yeah. Yep. Forget what this is called. Oh, the tag is right here. I'll look it up. This is the Coach Bitchfield? What? I don't know. Field tote? I don't know what it's called. So excited. I love the stone color here. What is it called? Chalk. The chalk color here. I love that Coach is embossed in such a light way. It just looks like so really feminine. When I looked at the pictures of this online, I thought it was much bigger. And I thought it was going to be more of like a travel bag. But it's actually, oh, it's my bag, the dust bag. But it's boxy. Oh, goodness. You know, it's boxy, and you guys know I love a boxy shoulder bag. Oh, hold on, what's going on here? It does come with a crossbody though. I looked at the pictures online. I think for travel purposes, I would like the crossbody strap, but you guys know I'm not a crossbody girl, so I'm not sure what we'll do with that. I gotta pull it out though. Hold on. Got it. Let's see. Let's see what this looks like. But I might just keep the strap in its packaging, because you guys know I'm like, okay, anybody want the strap, because I'm pretty much not going to use it, but we'll see. We'll figure it out. We'll travel with it, so if that will come in handy. Oh my goodness, inside so well packaged. This bag, I've been waiting and waiting. I was hoping for it to go on sale on the Coach website. And you know, at Christmas time and Thanksgiving, they send out the 20 and 25% off stickers, and this did not go on sale. So I was getting it, you know, like, ugh. I wanted to pick it up for myself, but I got really lucky. Well, I didn't get lucky, but it did go on sale on Saks. It was 20% off or something. So that's when my friend was able to pick it up, and I got it. I want it. I got it. We won't be singing. I won't torment you guys like that. Let's see. So we'll pull this off. The only thing, I don't know if I would use this for travel, and it does have that magnetic closer like this, because it's still fairly open. So I don't know if I'd be comfortable traveling with something that's open. Easy for me to get in and out of, but also easy for somebody else to get in and out of. So I'm always like wary about things like that. But other than that, I think this is like the perfect, you know, tote, boxy tote. I can put my arm through it. Not that I would do that, but you guys know I love a little handhold bag. I really do. I always think I'm gonna look like a little lady. Why? I don't know why, but that's how I think. I'm gonna look like a little lady. Hello, lady. You know, me and my business wear, although I work from home and have for I don't know how many years, I've lost count. But all in all, that's it. That's the Coach Field tote. It's just the one for $4.95. I do know there's a bigger size that definitely is suitable for travel, and then there's also a smaller size, which is like more longitudinal versus this way. So vertical, more vertical versus horizontal. I did think I wanted that one, but now that I have this, I'm actually pretty glad that this is the one I was gifted, because it's great. It's great. I'm so happy. So yeah, guys, that's my new Coach purse, my Coach Field purse. I don't know what this purse is called. I'll have to look it up and then, you know, put the name in the title or something, but that's it. Great purse, huh? Wonderful addition to my little collection. So thank you guys. Hope you guys have been well. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, all that good stuff. Take care of yourself, guys. And as we always say here on AhhhSoNeo, choose happiness. It's a choice you get to make every day. Make the right choice for you.